We're in Portugal and today we will go to Cascais from Lisbon. We bought our tickets in these machines and train goes to Cascais in every 20 minutes. So let's go! Cascais is perfect for a one-day trip from Lisbon, though we decided to spend there 3 days, so this way we will have time to discover the city, relax on the beaches, and we are also planning to visit Cabo da Roca. Let's go to the center. All of the streets of Cascais are covered with cobblestones, so make sure to wear non-slippery shoes. Woohoo! We arrived at the main square. And that beautiful building is the town museum. Look at the azulejos, the tiles on the building. And the beach is just there. Ice cream time! I've heard that Santini's has the best ice cream in Portugal, so we will try it out. This was much bigger, just it's melting super fast, so I have to eat it. But it's very good. This is mango, passion fruit, and tarte Santini. It's very good. They have a great technique because they also put some ice cream down the cone. We came to Mercado da Vila, the biggest market of Cascais, to buy some breakfast for ourselves for tomorrow. Okay, we asked some people and the market is open only on Wednesday, Saturday and Sunday. So maybe we'll come back tomorrow. We came to Praia da Riviera. Our first day in Cascais, and this beach is located in the center next to the town museum, and we might also go into the water. There are only a few people in the water, and the reason is because the water is super cold. To go at the restaurant at the marine, but it's closed because of COVID-19. So we came to the main square. We wanted to avoid touristy places, but we got here because of the football games. No comment. And we ordered this. This is grilled octopus, and that's bacalhau abras. We are in the bus station of Cascais and waiting for bus 403 to bring us to Cabo da Roca. Yay! We arrived to Cabo da Roca and now we will check out the view from there. Cabo da Roca is the most western point of the European continent, easily accessible from Cascais, and it only takes 40 minutes to get here by bus. The cliffs are located 150 meters above sea level, so if you're sensitive to cold and wind, make sure to bring a sweater or a jacket. called Praia da Ursa, and it's kind of hidden because you can go there on foot or by boat, but we don't have a boat, so we will go on foot. Ooh, we're getting closer. We arrived at the beach. I will go and discover this beach a bit. I'm okay. From the beach, we came back to the bus station. It took us around 40 minutes, and now we are waiting for the same bus to go back to Cascais. Tonight we came to a less touristy part to have dinner. Hello, T-bone steak. To start our last day in Cascais at the beach, so this way we can avoid super intense sunshine and we can enjoy the morning here. This is Praia da Duquesa and it's almost built together with Praia da Conhecão. We just bought some pastel de nata in the supermarket, so we will have breakfast on the beach. We are going back to our Airbnb, which is located in this beautiful neighborhood. We will have a second breakfast and we will relax till 3 or 4 to protect ourselves from the intense sunlight. I wanted to show you our cute little Airbnb apartment. It has a dining corner, a small kitchen, the bedroom, here's the little living room, and here's the bathroom. And the cute little private yard also belongs to the garden, and every morning we have our breakfast here. Yeah, we also bought some papaya in the supermarket, and let's have some breakfast. The rabbits. And now we are approaching Boca do Inferno, the mouth of hell. Sounds good, huh? So you say it doesn't look like a devil's mouth? No? No? A bit? The center on this coastal road. What we found, another secret beach. Ha! And it's overlooking to the lighthouse. On our first night here, we wanted to go to a restaurant, Maria Pia, somewhere there at the marine, but it's closed due to pandemic. But that night we found another one, but that time they didn't have table, so we reserved a table for today, and it's just there, and it's called Baía do Peixe. Yes, this is the place I was talking about, and we will eat something like this. A lot of seafood. Look at this. We just bought our train tickets back to Lisbon. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit some thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching. Ciao!